Hi, I'm Ken with Do-Your-Own-Pest-Control.com. We're going to talk today a little bit about the VersaFoamer line of sprayers from B&G Equipment Company. VersaFoamer makes the handheld model, which we've got here on the table. This is a traditional pump-up type sprayer, but it's set up to create a foam. You can convert a regular B&G sprayer to a VersaFoamer with this conversion kit that they sell. This has got all the parts, the siphon tube, the handle, and everything to convert a regular B&G sprayer to a VersaFoamer. They also make the VersaFoamer in what's called the VersaFoamer 4000. It's basically this same sprayer, but it's got a compressor and it's all in a carrying case. There's a much longer hose that you can use to do commercial accounts and things like that where you would need that. When you use these products, you can put just about any chemical in there to foam, but you'll need to add a foaming agent to it. Outlast foam is the one that we've kind of settled on, and this product is variable in that you can use it anywhere from about 1.5 ounces per gallon of solution up as much as 8 ounces per gallon. The lower ratio will give you what's called a wet foam, which is going to be kind of like dishwashing suds. The higher rate is going to give you a much thicker foam, which will be more like shaving cream consistency. And you can use whatever is, in any rate in between there might give you the rate that you want. But if you have more questions about these foamers and how they work, you can give us a call at 1-800-476-3368 or visit our website at doyourownpestcontrol.com. Thanks.